Visionaries, welcome back for another question of the day. Before I get started, if you're not subscribed to the planet, please do, and welcome. Just definitely want to keep bringing you valuable insights on my Merch by Amazon journey and sharing with you the things that may work for you as you're on your way growing on Merch by Amazon. And so today I want to talk about how do you find inspiration for designs? So for us folks that are not designers by trade, I have some desktop publishing background, some graphics background because I'm a marketer by trade, advertising and marketing. So I do have some idea of design aesthetics and balance and color matching and things like of that in nature, but I don't call myself a professional designer. So where do we find inspiration and how do we translate that onto Canvas, onto a digital platform and create our shirt designs? And I find inspiration everywhere, listening to music, watching TV, talking to friends and family. It's always something that I come across here, see that I'm like, ooh, is that a t-shirt already? And then I kind of go in and look on Amazon to see if it's an existing demand for it, and then in addition search out specific keywords, things of that nature, to make sure I optimize my listings. So anything from family gatherings, trends, whatever's going on in the news and media, just things that I'm interested in general, and gatherings that I have with my family and friends, all kinds of ways to find inspiration. Is just then delving down into that and then figuring what you would design from that. So a majority of my shirts are not from a laundry list of obscure niches and lists that people are publishing and are available online. Those are kind of helpful if you're looking to break into specific areas that your portfolio isn't in already. But I start with stuff that I know already, and as I mentioned in some of my other videos, like my top 5 niches video and others, food, music is what I love. So it's kind of organic for me, a natural process for me to kind of delve deeper into cuisines of the world, cuisines that are of specific cultures and geographies and things that I love to eat, and then finding the most popular cuisines of those specific things, and then developing unique phrases and imagery and artwork from that. So that's how I find inspiration. Also reading is awesome, and the visualization that you have in your head when you're reading, that's kind of inspirational to me to come up with unique design layouts and things, because I find even with very well designed shirts on Amazon, they kind of think of the shirt in a somewhat vertical portrait nature. What if you flip it on this end? The text is usually horizontal in nature. What if you think about it going vertically or crosswise or cross hatchwise or something different, circular or something different? Because a lot of it, even with the designers that have a great color balance and elements of text and graphics, is still kind of like I've seen this done before. So just get unique, have fun with colors, have fun with the t-shirt colors. Obviously black is the most popular t-shirt color overall. But I experiment in the summer months with baby blues and yellow and different white and different things, because I know in the summertime I don't want to wear black t-shirts all the time like that. So not only idea inspiration, but color inspiration, and focus on unique things. What's going to make your design unique out of the myriad of others that is out there. Obviously, you want to hone in on a niche where it's not thousands and thousands, hundreds of the same type of shirt, same type of idea. So that's where you start, number one. And then in addition to that, then even challenge yourself on tweaking your design to be even more out of the box, obscure, unique, because that's really, I found in a lot of my shirts, that's what has sold the best for me, just looking nothing like anything else in that same niche and standing out from the rest. And so as I continue my journey, that is my focus on things, and just inspiration is everywhere. You on YouTube today, you probably are gonna hear a catchphrase, see something, see a blend of colors, or even the annoying ads that come on in the middle of things like, hey, that was eye-catching, let me see if I can translate that idea into a shirt or a pop socket or whatever it is. So I hope that this helped you today and foster some creativity and thinking outside of the box as well. And again, I will be coming to you guys next Monday with the next merch question of the day. Tomorrow is going to be the AMS ad redux video that I promised you guys, and hope you have an awesome weekend and look forward to connecting with you again next week. Do please comment below and let me know what other things you want me to touch on, what's been valuable to you, what things that you've come across in your Merch by Amazon journey, and just continue to share with the community. If you are not, again, if you're not subscribed, please do subscribe and help us build this planet. So definitely do like and share this video. I appreciate you for being here. And until next time, be well and peace, family.